Hi everyone, today we are working on a classic Pioneer turntable. But before we start, if you love repairing, restoring and understanding how electronics really work, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and it means a lot to me. Okay, back to work. This turntable has seen better days. It's not performing as smoothly as it should, and like many vintage units, time has taken its toll. So in this video we are going to open it up, inspect the internal, clean it and service the key parts. And before I want to open it, I want to turn it on and show it to you how the tone arm works and make you familiar with this turntable. Okay, as you see, this is the switch here. This is the tone arm and the main plate for putting the record disc on it. By starting like this, the turntable want to turn. As you see, it needs some service for better rotation. The tone arm, by this lever you can select between up and down arm elevation, and this is for turn it off. You can put it on manual setting as here, and you can put them on these three for automatic work. Okay, that's off. Okay, now it's on the automatic situation and want to start it again. As you see, the tone arm automatically lift and starting from the start point of the record. And for turn it off, you can put it like this. The tone arm back to rest. Okay, now I want to open it up and show the main internal parts to you. First, we'll carefully remove the platter and access the internal mechanism. This is the outer platter with this metal ring, and this is the main platter with a belt that we have to release the belt from here and take it up like this. And this is the belt. We have to order the new belt and replace it. Okay, when you remove the main platter, you have reached to these two screws. You have to untighten these two screws and you can slide them like this, and the main part release and you can take it up. Okay, now it's released and you can put it like loosen the wire holder and take it out completely to show it to you. As you see, there is a very simple power supply There's a selector for 120 and 240 volts by this key, and there's a lock here to select and lock it. This is the main motor for turning the table, and as you see there is two small hoses here for oiling the front and back of the motor. As you see, these two hoses connected to the surface, and by applying the oil come to the end and non-end bearing of this motor. These two micro switch is for selecting the start and repeat the songs, and this lever goes to the mechanism for tone arm, is for selecting the manual setting or the automatic mechanism. Let me to open this plastic guard and show it under this to you. Okay guys, now I want to explain to you the internal mechanism. As you see, this is the automatic mechanism assembly. This is the heart of the automatic system in this Pioneer turntable. This large circular metal plate controls all automatic tone arm movements. As it rotates, it lifts the tone arm, move it across the record, and return it to the rest position at the end of the playback. This cam plate responsible for all automatic tone arm function. Old hardened grease here is one of the most common causes of malfunction. The levers and the linkage, as you see, returns the tone arm to the rest position after the record or playing is finished. If it's misadjusted, the tone arm may return too early or not return at all. Also, there is a plastic cam plate here. This wheel is connected to the motor and help stabilizing rotational speed. In some models, it also acts as a mechanical damper or a smooth operation. This part helps keep the platter speed stable and smooth. These micro switches detect the start and stop commands. It is mechanically activated by the movement of the automatic mechanism. A very common issue here is oxidized contact, which can cause intermittent motor operation. This wire comes from cartridge. These cables carry the very low level signal from the cartridge. They are extremely sensitive to noise and grounding issues. Poor solder joints or incorrect grounding here can cause harm or signal loss. As you see, this Pioneer turntable use beautifully engineered mechanical systems with proper cleaning and correct lubrication. This machine can perform perfectly even after decades. Now I want to check the damaged parts and order them for renewing the components and also cleaning and lubricating the mechanism. At this point, I want to finish the video. I just want to show you the key parts of the turntable, and at the end of the video I want to say it again. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. It encourages me to make better videos and it's cause growing the channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.